Yeah, a couple of things going on. Actually, the manufacturing number was really bad, and it's no way to start the fourth quarter here. But we broke the 50 and 100-day moving average in the S&P, in the Dow rather. The S&P, we broke the 100-day moving average. Traders watch that carefully, so that adds to selling because they say, okay, they have fiduciary responsibilities. Now we have to sell things, so that's going on too. And again, the jobs number came out today. The ADP jobs number came out today, 135,000. A little better than they thought, but weaker than last month. And now the official one comes out Friday, so traders are on the sideline. They're not jumping in either way, some guys, waiting for that number to come out. And, of course, next week's the meeting with Xi, the Chinese premier. So we'll have to see what goes on that. That's critical. I mean, because now this market's playing into their hands. It's weaker, and they could say, well, we could step back and watch this fall apart. Trump's up for re-election. He doesn't want to go into recession. So this could be all going through their mind over there. So it's critical next 2 weeks for sure.
You were mentioning earlier that traders can feel when there's a bit of a slowdown.
You can. I mean, I've been down here 35 years, even though I'm only 39, but I've been down here 35 years, and you look at certain stocks that you follow, and they're getting where individual stocks are starting to get a little weaker in the Dows. So we're watching those things, not only the bigger ones, and then the outflows. The outflows last month were, I think, like $46 billion in the equity ETFs. That's a lot leaving. And the inflows this month are very light. So overall, some things are getting weaker, and traders are going to watch that carefully. And of course, the end of the year, guys are going to lock in some profits coming pretty soon, rather than risk losing everything.
President Trump yesterday tweeted about the Fed after that manufacturing data came out. Are you expecting the Fed to lower rates again?
That's going to be Halloween, basically. That's when they meet. A lot could happen. I mean, if we come to an accord with the Chinese, market could take off. I mean, how much of this number yesterday is because of the strike at GM? That's baked into cake too, so we got to watch all that. So there's a lot of things going on. A lot can happen between now and that Fed meeting at Halloween.
Thanks, Alan Valdes. Stay with us. Wi-Fi AM continues right after the break.